Hey there, tech fans. Today, we're diving into the cool stuff, how to connect your Roborock to Apple HomeKit in a snap. I'll walk you through 2 super easy methods that'll make your Roborock play nice with your Apple gadgets. First, we've got Enomek, our top pick. It's like a magical bridge between your Roborock and your Apple HomeKit. The best part? Enomek comes with a step-by-step guide that's so easy. Plus, it's a one-time investment, and you can use the simple app to connect not just your Roborock, but any smart home gadget to Apple HomeKit. How cool is that? Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's just as slick, meet the Athom HomeKit Hub. It's like a little gadget hero with homebridge pre-installed. Don't let the tech lingo scare you. No tech knowledge needed here. Just plug it in, and voila! Your Roborock becomes best buds with Apple HomeKit without any fuss. Why consider the Athom HomeKit Hub? Well, it's easy on the wallet, super simple to use, and comes ready to roll with homebridge for a hassle-free setup. But that's not all. With Apple HomeKit Roborock integration, you can control your devices with Siri. Here's a glimpse of what you can do with this powerful integration. What can you do with Apple HomeKit Roborock integration? Control your vacuum along with your other Apple Home devices. Control your vacuum using Siri and Apple Home app when you're not at home. Set up powerful home automations together with other HomeKit devices. Easily find your Roborock with Siri, remote control, your Roborock smart vacuum, easy navigation, lay out a map for the vacuum to follow, schedule cleaning time for the robot, options to change power and other settings. Before you go, check out the links below for more info on these awesome solutions. Making your Roborock part of your Apple HomeKit family has never been so easy and fun. If this helped you out, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more techie tips from Kodmy, and swing by kodmy.com for the latest tech buzz. Catch you later, and happy home automating.
Thank you for watching Kodmy. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.